Hi everyone, welcome back here once again. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. I trust we're all doing well and fine. Today I'll be sharing a very simple, straightforward recipe I'm certain you would all love. I'll be making potato swallow, a low carb recipe, especially for those on diets or on a weight loss journey. So let's do this. So on the tray there, I have a kilo of potatoes. I am using my potato peeler to peel off the skin. You can use a knife if you do not have a peeler. It does the same job. When I'm done peeling, I'm going to wash the potatoes once and then I'll come back to cut it into very small bits to help my blender do a good job. Please, if you're not following me, click the follow button. Drop me your thoughts in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you guys. And also please share my videos. So I'm done washing. I washed them out like a second time. Now, this is where the trick comes in for you to achieve a very good potato swallow. For me, I'm going to blend that potato you saw, a kilo of potato, in 3 batches. So I just added in the first batch now and I added in a little water. When I blend like 2-3 times, I'll add in some more potatoes without water. I'll blend again 2-3 times. Still in the same blender, I'll add in the last batch without water. This will help you to achieve a very solid, like firm potato swallow. It won't be too watery. Do you understand? So please follow this step when making your potato swallow. Do not use too much of water in blending. If I had added all of the potatoes at once in my blender with very little water, it may not blend very well. That's why I do that. So all done now. Time for us now to turn the potatoes. So you also notice that I don't use water to rinse out my blender. No, I just use my spatula to clean it into the pot to avoid putting in too much of water into the potato swallow. It takes about just 10 minutes for it to get ready. So just keep stirring, do not go away so that you don't have lumps. It is very, very easy and you can enjoy this swallow with any soup of your choice. You just keep stirring. Please give this video a like if you haven't already. Drop me your thoughts. Is this something you would like to try? You see, all ready, all done. You can beat it to the side of the pot if you want to. But I don't have any lumps and I don't see any need to do that. So now, time for us to serve. I'm using a clean film, which is safe. I'm just going to portion it out. Wrap. You see how soft it is. It's not too soft that you can like mold your swallow. No, it's not. It's just perfect for me. And when it cools down, it solidifies as well. So this is just the best way to make your potato swallow. If you've watched to this point, I truly appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to please share to others. Drop me your thoughts in the comment section and please follow me if you aren't already. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.